I know you clicked this video to learn advanced skeleton, and today we will do just that. Kumusta? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jeku and this will be part 1. Anyway, let's get to it. First things first, we need to download advanced skeleton on this website. We can search this up on Google or just click the link down below. I will provide it so you kids won't worry. Oh, Jeku didn't provide a link. What a dick. This is the latest one. I will download it again for you guys. Do you know how much effort it takes? After that, we will head over to our download folder and locate advanced skeleton. Let's hit Ctrl X and we will go over to documents, Maya, scripts, and as you can see I already have installed it, so I'm going to paste it here. We can then extract it by using WinRAR, ZZip, or just the default Windows. So let's extract. Oh no, I chose the wrong one. No. Let me start over. So just know that I will repeat the same steps again. So now that it is already installed, we can now delete this one. We don't need that apparently. After that, we can open up Maya. Let's open up Maya here. So let's create new scene, new file, new project file. Let's open at advanced skeleton and we are going to drag this install to the recycle bin. I'm just kidding. We will drop it in the viewport just like this. So, oh no, you will know that it is already imported when you see these icons. If not, let me know in the comments. I will help you with that one. So now that it is already installed, we can close this up. We'll go to open up this. You can open up file, your model. Okay, so we will head over here and click this A icon, like right here, right there. If you can see that, you're blind. So yeah, here we go. First things first, we will clean our model. To do that, we will select this one right here, like model clean. Click this one, click that. So it will open up a mini tab or window. So if your model is just like this one, I'm gonna show you. So just like that, you will need to if your model is just like this, just like this, okay, just like that, you will need to create a group. So I'm gonna select all of this and create just like that. Simple as that. So now we can clean our model. So it will be like that. Okay. After it's clean, we can save this again to save. Where's my oh, here it is. So we will make a another version. We will save this as a quote unquote model name added clean. So we need to be clean. Oh no, we need to be clean. We need to be organized so that we will use this one. This will be very important later on. So we're going to save this as, click yes, and now that's done, we will we can also check if this model is symmetrical. So because if our model is not symmetrical, this could cause issues. So it is very advisable to check symmetry. We can save this as a separate file. Yeah, we've already done that. So we can check after cleaning. We will check the model. So let's see. So you will know if the model is symmetrical because if you can look down here, we can see that the model is symmetrical. If not, it will select all of those not symmetrical part, or maybe I think I'll show you like this one. If I click this one and we'll check, oh, this symmetrical, don't know why. So you'll know when it is not symmetrical. Okay, so after that we will go to step 3, which is rigging. Yay, rigging! We will begin rigging on the next video, so subscribe, like, and hit notification bell. I will be posting part 2 very soon. Anyway, I will see you guys later. Paalam!